not the way you want to start, Cap. Welcome back, guys, to Boats vs. Haulover. Me and Machine take on Mother Nature, typically a Haulover Inlet, but as you can tell, that's not where we are. Today, we're up north in New Jersey, visiting the Point Pleasant Canal, but if we're going to open off that strong, let's see if the boats can get back into this one, and we're going to step right into round one, and here we go, as we have our first vessel stepping in the ring to try and do battle with the canal. Now, we have a very brave soul up in the bow of this boat. I'm curious if she's going to wind up wet. No! She's quickly deciding she's staying in the bow, but she's definitely moving a little further back. So far, Cap's doing pretty good at keeping his bow up. It's been a rough one down here at the canal today. We've seen lots of stuffings, but it looks like our Cap may pull it off and take a win for the boats early here in the first round. And that's going to bring us into the second round of our contest, where we're going to have a Grady White stepping in the ring to try and do battle with the canal. This canal is all no wake, as many of you already know, which makes for some challenging conditions because they have several standing waves mixed in with the wake from the other boats. It's always rough. Even this big Grady just stuffs it. That one I did not see coming. If any boat I thought stood a chance, it was going to be this one. But man, even the Grady can't keep the water from going over the bow of the boat. They stuff it solid here right under the bridge. And unfortunately for this Grady White, they're going to take a loss for the boats in the second round and bring us back to a 1-1 tie. But that shows you that this can happen to anybody. It's not just the small boats. And that'll bring us to the third round of our contest, where we're going to feature a chaparral trying to work its way and hopefully stay dry as they come through the canal. Right now we've got two ladies in the bow. Let's see how Cap does about keeping the bow up. Had a close call there, but he's able to hold on. And they're getting into the rougher stretch, which is just under the bridge. One of the ladies says, nah, I'm good. I've seen this one before. Moves back, and here comes Cap. Oh no! Right here at the end, it looked like twice there they're going to get a little more over the bow, and they stuff it twice at the end. Just light ones, but man, that's going to be just enough for that boat to take the loss, and that's going to give the canal a 2-1 lead as we move into the fourth round of our contest. Have Mama up in the bow, trying to take on the canal. Can hubby keep her dry, or is Mama going to wind up drenched? And I think this crew's gotten a little bit lucky as they've caught a little lull in the action here in the canal. And I think our crew's going to make it through without any issues, taking a win for the boats. And that's going to bring us to our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win in this episode? Will it be the boats or the canal? Here we go. Our crew, oh no! Pops gets wet up front, kind of tosses his hand in the air. The light stuffing there early. I mean, the bayliner, unfortunately for this crew, is going to take a loss for the boats, and that's going to give the canal the win here in the fifth round, and that's going to give the canal also the overall win in the episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.